Stay group here, children. See, this is 12th standard CBSE, chapter 7, integrals, exercise 7.2, 9th sum, integrate. 4x plus 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. See, whatever the terms comes like this, you can take it as any one of the term as t. You can see the highest power. This is the highest power. So, that term you can take it as a t, the total term, not only for this term alone, the total term. See here, x square plus x plus 1, you check it. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. So, x term is there. You neglect that constant term, x term is there. What is the differentiation of x? 1. So, some constant is there. Okay. See, x square plus x plus 1 equal to t. Or any other variable you can choose. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. X square become 2x. X square become 2x. X become 1. 1 become 0 because it is a constant. T become t with respect to x. So, it gives dt by dx. Y with respect to x means dy by dx. In the same way, t becomes dt by dx. So, 2x plus 1 into dx equal to dt. 2x plus 1 into dx equal to dt. See, in this 2 is constant. 2 is common, not constant. 2 is common. So, you can take it out. So, you can take it as I equal to 2, you can take it out. What is the remaining thing here? 2x plus 1 into root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Okay. See, 2 is common, so I can take it out. What is the remaining thing left over here? 2x plus 1 into root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. So, now you substitute everything. I equal to 2 into integral root of root t. X square plus x plus 1 is nothing but what? T. 2x plus 1 into dx is nothing but what? dt. You substitute everything here. 2x plus 1 into dx is nothing but dt. So, it gives 2 into integral. It is in a root. So, I write it as 2 e power 1 by 2. T power 1 by 2 into dt. So, what is the formula for integral x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So, 2 into t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. T power 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. I equal to 2 into, you can take the LCM as 2. So, t power 1 plus 2 by 2, the same way 1 plus 2 by 2 plus c. So, it gives 2 into t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. You reciprocal that thing. See what is the value you are getting? I equal to 4 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c. The sum it is in a form of x means the answer should be in the x term. So, you replace t by what? X square. So, I equal to 4 by 3 into what is the t value here? X square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. See here, integral 1 by that x I can write it as what? Root x into root x. X I write it as what? Root x into root x minus root x into dx. If you want, you can assign any value for integral. I equal to 1 by, you can take it as root x commonly out. What is the remaining thing? Root x minus 1 into dx, root x minus 1 into dx. See, root x minus 1 I can take it as t, root x minus 1 I can take it as t, that is x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. What is the formula? N into x power n minus 1, n into x power n minus 1 minus 1 become 0 equal to dt by dx, dt by dx, n into x power n minus 1. So, 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2. 2 as the LCM, 1 minus 2 by 2. So, minus 1 by 2 equal to dt by dx. The power is in negative. So, you can bring it down 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 into dx equal to dt, dx equal to dt, that is 1 by x power 1 by 2 is nothing but what? Root. So, 1 by 2 root x into dx equal to dt, that x power 1 by 2 I changed into what? Symbolic root x. The 2 it goes that side. See here, 1 by root x, 1 by root x, 1 by root x into dx equal to 2 dt, because 1 by root x into dx is there. So, 1 by root x into dx equal to what? 2 dt. So, see here, integral 1 by root x minus x, 1 by root x minus x I can take it as t, 1 by root x into dx, 1 by root x into dx, what is nothing but what? 2 into dt. See, root x minus 1 I kept it as t, so 1 by root x minus 1, in the place of root x minus 1 I put it as what? T. What is that remaining term? 1 by root x into dx. Remaining term is, if you want you can write in such a way, integral 1 by root x minus 1 into 1 by root x into dx. Now is it clear for you? 1 by root x minus 1, I kept the value for t. So, 1 by t. 1 by root x into dx what? 2 into dt, 2 into dt. So, 2 is a constant, I can take it out, integral dt by t. What is the integration of dx by x? Log of mod x, here log of mod t, log of mod t plus c, log of mod t plus c, you replace that value, log of, what is the t value? T value is nothing but what? Root x minus 1. T value is root x minus 1 plus c, because the sum in x means the answer is in the form of x only. See the 11th sum, integral x by root of x plus 4 into dx. See the same power. If the power is higher, that term you can take it as t. But the powers are same, both numerator as well as the denominator. In such cases, you will do it integral. See, x plus 4. So, you add and subtract plus 4 in the numerator. X plus 4 minus 4 by x plus 4 minus 4 by root of x plus 4 into dx. Root of x plus 4 into dx, it gives integral x plus 4 by root of x plus 4. You separate the terms. Root of x plus 4 into dx minus 4 by root of x plus 4 into dx. separate the term like this. Okay, x plus 4 by root of x plus 4 into dx minus integral 4 by root of x plus 4 into dx. You know very well, x by root x is nothing but what? See, or a by root a is nothing but what? A you can take it as what? Root a into root a by root a get cancel. In the same way, x plus 4 by root of x plus 4. So, it gives, see here, integral root of x plus 4 into dx. You cancel the term, you get the value what? Root of x plus 4. That a I can write it as what? A root a into root a. In the same way, x plus 4 root of x plus 4 into root of x plus 4. So, 1 root of x plus 4 get cancelled. What is the remaining thing? Root of x plus 4 into dx minus 4 is also constant. You can take it out. 1 by root of x plus 4 into dx. 1 by root of x plus 4 into dx. So, it gives integral, that root you changed into whole power 1 by 2. X plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 into dx minus 4 into, you bring it into the numerator, it become what? Minus. So, x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2, because it is in a denominator, you can bring it into the numerator, it becomes negative. Minus 1 by 2 into dx. So, it gives, what is the formula? Because x power is 1. So, you apply the x power n formula. So, x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula, minus 4 into x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So, it gives x plus 4 whole power 2 as the LCM, 1 plus 2 whole divided by 2, it gives 3 by 2, that is 1 plus half, 3 by 2, whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 4 into x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 plus 2 by 2, it is nothing but what? 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus c. So, reciprocal that term, that is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2 minus 8 into x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus c. If you want 2, you can take it out. What is the remaining thing? 1 by 3 into x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2 minus 4 into x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus c. See here, integral x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 x power 5 into dx. See, I will write it as integral x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3, that x power 5 I can split up into x cube into x square into dx. If the bases are same, you can add the powers. Okay, you have a exponential formula indices, that is if the bases are same, you can add the powers. Why I should do like this? See here, if I can take it as x cube minus 1 as a t. What is the differentiation of x cube? 3x square. So, I got the value of x square here. So, I can split the value, that x power 5 x cube into x square. Now I am taking as x cube minus 1 equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. X cube is what? 3x square. N into x power n minus 1. Minus 1 become 0. T become dt by dx. T become dt by dx. So 3x square into dx equal to dt. 3x square into dx equal to dt, but in the sum you have only x square into dx. So x square into dx equal to 1 by 3 dt. Okay, now you will do it everything. See here, integral x cube minus 1 t. So t power 1 by 3, t power 1 by 3, but here x cube is there. So see, x cube equal to t plus 1. X cube equal to what? You bring that minus 1 to this side, it become what? T plus 1. So in the place of x cube you replaced by what? T plus 1. T plus 1. What is the remaining thing? X square into dx. X square into dx is 1 by 3 dt. 1 by 3 dt. 1 by 3 is constant, you can take it out. You multiply t power 1 by 3 inside. So t power 1 by 3 into t power 1 plus t power 1 by 3 into 1. T power 1 by 3 into 1 dt into dt. If the bases are same, you can add the powers. So it gives 1 by 3 into t power 1 by 3 plus 1, because bases are same. Bases are same, you can add the powers. Plus t power 1 by 3 into 1, it's the same value, t power 1 by 3 into dt. Okay, see here, it gives 1 by 3 into integral. See, 3 as the LCM. 3 as the LCM, 1 plus 3 by 3, it gives what? T power 4 by 3. T power 4 by 3, 3 as the LCM, plus t power 1 by 3 into dt. 1 by 3 into dt. T power 4 by 3, because 3 as the LCM. 1 plus 3, 4 by 3, t power 4 by 3 plus t power 1 by 3 into dt. Okay, so it gives 1 by 3 into, see, 1 by 3 into. The same way, x power n formula, what is that formula? T power 4 by 3 plus 1 by 4 by 3 plus 1. T power 4 by 3 plus 1 by 4 by 3 plus 1 plus t power 1 by 3 plus 1. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. So it gives 1 by 3 into 3 as the LCM. So t power 7 by 3, because 4 plus 3 whole divided by 3. 7 by 3 by 7 by 3. 7 by 3 by 7 by 3. Plus the same way here also 3 as the LCM. T power 1 plus 3 by 3, 4 by 3. 1 plus 3 by 3, it's nothing but 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 plus c. Okay, so reciprocal the thing, 1 by 3 into 3 t power 7 by 3 by 7, reciprocal that value, plus 3 t power 4 by 3 by 4 plus C. Okay, 3 you can take it as commonly out. So it gives 3 by 3 into t power 7 by 3 by 7 plus t power 4 by 3 by 4 plus C. 3 get cancel. So you replace t value. What is the t value? X cube minus 1 whole power 7 by 3. You replace that value, final value you can replace. Okay, x cube minus 1 by 7 by x cube minus 1 whole power 7 by 3 by 7 plus x cube minus 1 whole power 4 by 3 by 4 plus C.